Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to Soft Solution Repairs, and here Akhil is with you. Today we have Nintendo Switch Lite with us, and we are going to replace joystick on the left hand side of the Switch. The right hand side works fine, so on this tutorial we are replacing the left hand side one. I'm holding it wrong, so don't confuse about the sides. Now it's better. If you want to replace right hand side joystick or both of them, press on the card appears on top right corner of the screen to get the link for right hand side joystick replacement. And I'll also leave the link in the description below. So let's go ahead and replace the joystick on this Nintendo Switch Lite. Before taking it apart, we'll look for game card, whether if there is any game card or memory card inside. If there is one, please take it out because we don't want to break any of those readers. Now we'll use anything between 1.5 mm to 2.2 mm wire screwdriver and remove these 4 screws. Then use 1.8 mm Phillips screwdriver and remove another batch of 4 screws on top and bottom side of the switch. Now we'll use guitar pick and take the back cover off. Once back cover is taken off, because we are going to replace left hand side joystick, we don't have to remove this shield. We only remove this shield if we want to replace right hand side joystick. So let's go ahead and unplug all those cables connected on the daughter board. Joystick cable, power and volume flex cable, LCD backlight cable, and then main flex cable which connects motherboard to daughter board. Now use 1.8 mm Phillips screwdriver and unscrew batch of 6 screws on daughter board. Remove TZ button and then loudspeaker. Underneath we have found another screw. Just unscrew this and release the daughter board for removal. Once daughter board is removed, joystick is now visible. Let's go ahead, loose and remove the joystick by unscrewing couple of screws here. Here is new joystick. Just place it on, screw it down, and then make sure it moves freely. Now the daughter board. Place it on, screw it down, and plug in all the flex cables. Then place ZT button and screw it down. Then place the loudspeaker, screw it down and connect it on the board. Now place the power and volume button flex, plug it in and rest of the remaining screws. Once everything is connected properly, you should test and make sure everything works fine. Now we'll go ahead and put the back on. Make sure it clicks properly and tight it on the switch with the remaining screws. Now everything is plugged and connected properly, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Until it turns on, I would request those haven't subscribed us, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press bell icon. And any question you may have, ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video and goodbye for now.